MORENTO Smart Space Heater. How to achieve intelligent control through app or voice. Wi-Fi connection guide. 1. Hold down the oscillation button for about 3/5. 2. The machine beeps. 3. The Wi-Fi status indicator blinks, the setting is successful. 2 ways to download HavaWorks app. Method 1. Scan the QR code and choose your phone system. Method 2. Download on the mobile app store. Sign up or log in. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to allow the HavaWorks app to connect to the space heater via Wi-Fi. Tips: select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Scan the QR code to add the device. Connect at SH40WF space heater. Enter the unit Wi-Fi control page. Click on the switch. Multiple mode. 2 heating modes, plus eco mode, plus cold mode. H2, high power heat, 1500 W. H1, low power heat, 900 W. ECO, eco mode, the heater will automatically select its optimal heating power, depending on the difference between the set temperature, 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and ambient temperature. Cold, fan only, the LED display shows. 1-12H timer. Timed operation from 1-12H possible. You can set the running time you want, and the machine will follow your needs to turn on or off. Child lock. Prevent accidental access by children or pets. Note, the metal protection temperature of the machine will be very high during operation. Please keep a distance of at least 30 centimeters. Shake. 70-degree oscillation, covering a wider space. Mute. Turn on the mute setting and adjustments will be made without a beeping tone. Voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant. 1. Enter the HavaWorks app and click ME in the lower right corner. 2. Click Alexa and link to Amazon Alexa according to the prompts in the app. 3. Sign in with Amazon. 4. Link HavaWorks with Alexa. 5. Connected successfully.
Alexa, turn on the space heater. Okay.
1. Enter the HavaWorks app and click ME in the lower right corner. 2. Click Google Assistant and link to Google Assistant according to the prompts in the app. 3. Link with Google Assistant. 4. Agree and link. 5. Connected successfully.
Google, set space heater to eco mode. Okay.